Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are excited to introduce you to the OceanAlpha SL20 Unmanned Survey Vehicle, a cutting-edge unmanned survey vehicle designed for a wide range of marine survey and research applications. The SL20 is a compact, highly capable USV that packs a punch. With its sleek and durable design, the SL20 can operate in a variety of water conditions, making it an ideal platform bathymetric survey, environmental monitoring, and much more. One of the standard features of the SL20 is its advanced sensor suite on board. You'll find a high precision echo sounder for accurate depth measurement, as well as a state-of-the-art GPS system for precise positioning and navigation. The SL20 also boasts of impressive endurance with a runtime of up to 8 hours of a single charge. This allows you to cover large survey areas. It can be used to measure water discharge volumes in a river cross section and for taking bathymetric survey as well. Now the SL20 has certain unique characteristics which will include a battery pack of a 33.6 voltage of 40 ampere per hour, a radio remote controller for manually controlling the USV within visual range, which typically uses 2.4 GHz and 950 MHz. And another unique function is autopilot function, enabled by the SLV20 to navigate a planning line, or as we call it, a route. It also comes with a base station that provides data telemetry, Wi-Fi to communicate with in autonomous navigation with the USV and transmit back to the shore when it is done. It has a USB-based wireless station software called the OceanAlpha, which allows for mission planning and to have full control of the USV. For the purpose of this video, I'll be teaching you how to install the USV SL20. Now we start by mounting the South Galaxy G2 GPS on the unmanned boat. The data telemetry antenna is already mounted on the USV. So when installing, you just lift it up and then screw it to be firmly attached to the boat. We go on ahead to install the remote control antenna, which helps in the communication between the boat, the wireless base, and the laptop. We go ahead to install the GPS antenna, which is responsible for communicating the GPS ephemeris data from the USV. Now, when finished installing, you can clearly see here the telemetry data antenna, as well as the GPS antenna firmly installed on the USV. From there, the GPS which is mounted on the USV is set by attaching the antennas for effective communication and data capture. You screw it firmly onto the GPS to prevent it from falling off during the data capture process. When this is done, the M18 cable is connected between the USV and the echo sounder. Both are connected to the DB9 connector to be able to push information or data between the laptop and the USV. Now when it is fully installed, this is how it should look like. After that, you turn it on to start broadcasting data. The OceanAlpha has two thrusters, that's the propellers in our case as we call it. It has a left thruster and a right thruster with 3 pins which has been indicated 1, 2, 3, which has similar design on the connection which you are seeing from the video. When it is connected, you screw it to hold it firmly to the boat. The USV SL20 is powered by a lithium ion battery with just a voltage of 33.6 voltage and 40 ampere per hour. It is braced firmly within the USV to prevent falling off and to secure its connection. The USV battery has 3 connectors relayed between the battery and the USV, which has a triangular one responsible for battery communication, a charge socket, and a discharge socket for charging. The battery can be charged in 2 different ways: by connecting it directly and by charging it through the charging port of the USB boat. Efficient communication is between the USB, the laptop for the data capture, the wireless base station, and the rocket antenna. Now, the navigation box is responsible for relaying that information between the laptop, the wireless base station, and the USB. It receives information from the main control box, which is subsequently passed on onto the OceanAlpha box for the autonomous data caption, which subsequently aids in very precise and accurate data captured. As previously stated, the battery can be charged either remotely by a charging port or directly to the battery. The charging port has 2 pins where you can firmly attach the charger to it and screw firmly to be able to enhance charging. Now, when it is charging, there is a red indicator light and there's a sound from the cooling fan during the charging process. It stops when it turns green, indicating a full charge. To be able to charge your batteries, here are some few safety tips. You make sure you connect to the AC power first. You turn on the charger before you connect the charger to the SLV boat. When all components have been fully and properly installed, turn on the USB. There's a beeping sound which you're hearing from the background, which indicates installation has been properly done. Another feature noteworthy of being mentioned is the obstacle avoidance feature, which helps the USV to be able to detect and avoid obstacle during its autonomous or manual data capture. This addition, I think, is really brilliant and noteworthy of commendation to the OceanAlpha team. All too soon, guys, we've come to the end of another video detailing the assembling of the USB SL20 designed by the OceanAlpha team. Alright guys, see you in the next video. It's bye for now.